Jatend jotij piny owacho Felix Koskei sani koro golo siem ne jotije sirkal madonjore orak mag piny owacho kod mibadhi ni biro kawnegi okang' mager mar chik. Koskei nowacho ni mibadhi osenya ahinya te counties kaluwore gi jotije moko mag sirkal matudore kod achudhe e yako omenda mag orak mag chenro mag sirkal. Koskei ne lose nyasi mar alam manobagi e skund secondary mar Ruma e kar chung'o od bura mar Arieda, kama notene kod jatelo mamoko kaka jatend migawo mar tudruok ma nyasani Eliud Owalo, jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita Raymond Omolo, nyawadgi manie migawo mar somo Belio Kipsang e kind jotelo mamoko.
Gikmoko mwayuago kae ni cost of living. Cost of living iting ilweti. It is you who have it. Now when you have it and you are wasting it, what are you doing? Because you have had maize, now you are selling a gorogoro at 60 bob or 50. In 3 months' time, you don't have anything, you are going to buy that gorogoro at 200 shillings. So who is joking with the cost of living? Sini wewe.
President wetu ameamini watu wa huko, amesema wote tukue unity, sio? Na hata kuitengeneza iwe mzuri zaidi. Mkuu wa jeshi ni wa wapi? Sisi wetu. Sisi wenu. Na tunasema nini? Ni serikali moja, tunataka kufanya kazi pamoja, tuendelee na hiyo mwelekeo.
I want to ask all public servants, wherever they are, to work for these people. You have to know that these are our employers. These are the people who voted for the president and for the government, and the government hired us to work for these people. And we have to serve them.
The money we have within the counties is like a drop in the ocean compared to the financial outlay that we require to turn around the economy of this region. So let us support the government of the day. We have got William Ruto as the president of Kenya today. Let nobody cheat you that there may be any change of government in between here. There will be no change in government up to 2027 and perhaps up to 2032. So the only choice we have is to work with the government of the day today.
Oganda manoyudo hinyruok kaachiel kod joma nowito johera